Another update in the new DOSY Tool 2.2 is how we can calculate automatic titrations. In automatic titrations, one can determine the volume per step he or she wants to titrate, the total volume that has to be titrated, which then calculates the number of steps, and finally one can put in the time in between each step, which determines the length of the recording period of the measurement device of the experiment. So far it was rather difficult to determine how long the time in between each step should be. Now we have established a calculation protocol, which opens when you press calc, where you can fill in the recording time of your device, so to say how long does your machine need to record the experiment. Then you have a safety time. The safety time is a time which allows you to make sure that if you do more than one titration step, you have enough buffer in between each step, that the mixing or the titration does not actually interfere with the recording of the device. After filling in these two times, the program automatically calculates the cycle time of the recording device that you have to fill in into your recording device and the time in between each step, as you can see here with these values. Then you only have to press OK, and these values are automatically taken into the software DOSY tool. The known option mixing has to be adjusted as well. Just make sure that this mixing has been adjusted before you calculate your time in between each step, because the mixing time will have an influence on your cycle time of the recording device. Another feature that has been added to the automatic titration window is the option to start. That has been programmed for the other piston. In this case, we have been programming piston 1, so you could start the titration that has been programmed on piston 2. Just make sure that under these automatic conditions, indeed, titration is programmed.